Let's meet Caitlin, a junior majoring in journalism and media with a double concentration in visual production and audio and podcasting. She's capitalizing on the incredible resources available to her in beautiful Greenspun Hall and taking full advantage of the hands-on learning opportunities she's had both on and off campus. Tell us all about it, Caitlin.
I appreciate the introduction, Alex. When I started looking through the degree options at UNLV, I asked myself, would I be willing to take every class required of this major? Once I stumbled upon journalism and media studies as an option, my answer was yes. The opportunity to take classes in news production, audio storytelling, and social media excited me. UNLV has more than 150 majors, minors, and certificates, and I'm glad I took the time to find the right degree path for me. As a journalism major, I'm fortunate to have learned from industry professionals that have worked for companies like Marvel and ESPN. I like to joke that I live right here at Greenspun Hall. You can always find me taking advantage of all the resources UNLV has to offer, whether I'm in the editing lab, recording audio in the studio, or running a camera from the equipment room. Outside the classroom, I'm a student reporter for University Speaks, a student worker for UNLV TV, and a member of Rebel Media Group. Being involved in these organizations have provided me with unique experiences, like being part of an Emmy Award-winning student newscast and working as a talent escort for the American Country Music Awards. I also intern at Las Vegas Now, the lifestyle and entertainment show for Las Vegas's CBS affiliate. I've worked on writing for broadcast, digital and physical marketing, and practicing in front of the camera. None of these opportunities would have been possible without the foundation I've built here at UNLV. I'm proud of my decision to attend UNLV because of the resources, opportunities, and connections I've made on campus and in the Las Vegas community. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, your resume will be so impressive, Caitlin. I'm amazed at all the hands-on learning experiences available at UNLV. It's fantastic. No matter your major, UNLV provides specialized resources and experiential learning opportunities, so you're ready to hit the ground running when you graduate. Keep up the great work, Caitlin.